Waterfall, so we're gonna check that out.
Yeah, we're gonna try and get there.
Hell yeah. I'm not really dressed for this because we're the what's that called?
Dunhinda Falls.
Yeah, Dunhinda Falls.
Dunhinda Falls.
And yeah, I'm just wearing flip-flops, but the thing is, also I'm wearing a sweatshirt, and it's kind of like, it's not that high up, so I feel really, I'm boiling.
Yeah, it's a bit humid in this forest.
Yeah, and
I'm feeling it myself.
I guess like I'll try to get some footage of the waterfalls from far, but yeah, we can't make it because it's also really late and we had to catch our train back to Ella.
Yeah, it's the last train, sadly.
Yeah, the path is really good. It's not that bad. It's well built.
Yeah, just a few rocks here and there.
Yeah, exactly. But I suggest wear if you were in sneakers or something, yeah, you'd be fine. Just don't wear flip-flops. I really don't recommend it.
Yeah, wear proper shoes.
Yeah,
like
exactly.
Something hiking would be good.
This is not good. Yeah, so we're gonna have back to our tuk-tuk.
Yeah, we met a lot of nice monkeys today, though.
Yeah, the monkeys, that was fun. I didn't expect them to be actually nice.
Yeah, they're kind of cute, honestly. Kind of adorable. Changed my opinion on monkeys. Like, Nepal ruined me for monkeys.
Oh god, it did. Yeah. No, I also, when I was 21 and I came here, there were these monkeys just grabbing stuff. But then again, they weren't as bad as Nepal. Whoops, rocks.
Yeah. You're eating, darling?
Yeah, babe, this is werelu, and it's a sour kind of fruit, and they boiled it, or I don't know if they boiled it, but I don't know how to explain. It's like sour and salt, and they put salt and chili. Oh god, I loved this when I was a kid.
You can tell she's quite enthusiastic about it. And doggo. So, I'm super happy. I got to see the first waterfall in my life ever. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it! Oh my god! It's so beautiful.
Yeah, we couldn't go, so...
Yeah, but I got a picture.
Yeah.
As far as silver prizes go, I've done worse. Actually, to be fair, this is technically a trophy of participation.
Also, we don't have a camera to take that kind of picture.
No, we don't. Well, I have my phone, which has been acting like a goddamn freak lately. So, this is the best you and I get. But I'm still so happy. Ah!
Yeah, so this is the closest Damon could see the damn waterfall.
Yeah, right down there. I'm so close, I can practically reach out and taste it.
I'll just zoom in.
Can we make a zoom?
Oh, yes.
Can you see the beauty? I can see the beauty.
Yeah, that's
so beautiful.
Yeah, here you go, your first waterfall.
Oh my god, I jizzed. It looks nice from here, but I would have liked to go closer, but no, next time. Just be careful.
Okay.
Here he is.
Shit. Oh, fuck.
Baby's gonna chop wood for the first time. Hey. Oh, wow! That was a fail! That was amazing! That was terrible! That was awful! I loved it! That was so amazing! Oh, you even chop wood. Cute. Munchie, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would chuck wood? Yeah, exactly. Oh, that was excellent.
on the early morning train, and this is like much better than.
Super nice.
Yeah, it is super fucking nice. It's way better than the old train we came up with. I was like, why are we paying 1,000 rupees?
That wasn't. Well, that's because it's observation.
True.
So you got that.
Oh shoot. We gotta find our seats.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really hard to find our seats because.
Well, it's super busy. That's why.
Well, that too, and I think there's no one to help us. Sort of like, oh, go figure it out. You'll be alright.
Well, you just look for numbers.
Oh, look at that. It has like this like thing.
There you go, cup holder. Hey.
Finally.
That doesn't fit though.
Right. Can we have some love? Yeah, we can have some love. I'm first class and sitting on the floor. No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yes, we're leaving this earth. We're going to the stars. No, actually, we just left Ella and we're on our way to Colombo. We're about halfway there, actually.
This is John, the Traveling Bear. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe anyway. Let's be honest, my owners need all the help they can get. Don't forget to click the bell to get a notification whenever a new video is up. See you next time on WATERFALL Adventures.